What is up, everybody? We are on our way to an event this evening, this Friday night, and not the best of conditions. Let me see if I can show you. It is wet, and because the weather is this way, I'm not coming to you from inside my helmet. You're not going to see me on my bike because I just don't ride in the rain. Sorry about that. Tonight at A&S Motorcycles in Roseville, California, they're going to be unveiling 6 different 2018 Ducati models. Now, full disclosure, I am not a Ducati enthusiast, nor do I know a ton about Ducati. I'm not going to be able to tell you all about these bikes like I would be able to the Harley Davidson models. If you've watched my channel at all, then you know how I feel about Harley Davidson and the knowledge bank that I have in my brain for Harley Davidson models. Not the same for Ducati, even though I'm a fan of their bikes. If you go back, I'll put a link here. I did test ride the Ducati DIAVEL and loved that ride. So we're off to this event. Again, it's raining, so it's probably all going to be inside. We're going to enjoy this event. We're going to look at some cool bikes, and hopefully we'll get some feedback and some insight from some people who know a thing or two about these motorcycles, and get some video for you right here on my channel. So we'll see you when we get there.
it's not overbearing either. So please come ride this thing. If you are remotely interested in one of these, it's
This rear tire is so good. Much bigger than the 1000 IR.
it's a 200, and if you put your hand right here, you just kind of go like that. It feels like you'll have the same contact patch leaned over as you would going straight down the road. So just put your hand like right there. This is the feedback you want because
But I think most of the Ducatis have this thing open though, right?
up until 2012,
So that was fun. So what I learned at that event was that I don't know a lot about sport bikes, which is okay, and I'm fine with that. I've just got a lot to learn. We've got a lot of information from Harrison, who was there to help us to answer questions. What was really impressive to me was the sound that came out of there, because it definitely had that Ducati sound, but at the same time, I've never heard a stock exhaust on a sport bike that sounded like that. So that was really cool and really impressive to me. So anyway, good times. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you like it, go ahead and hit the like button down there, and if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button so you can check out some of my other videos. I'll throw up some links right here too, so you can go straight to one of those other videos if you so please. So guys, if you're riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I'm out.